Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to describe someone's career. You will also learn how to describe someone's interest in pursuing certain professions. 你爸爸做什么工作？
我爸爸是电脑工程师。
你妈妈呢？
我妈妈是老师。来看看这张照片。
他们是谁？
这是我爷爷，他退休了。他以前是医生。这是我奶奶，她是家庭主妇。
你以后想做什么？
我想当老师。
Using 以前 which is before to describe something before a specific time or event. The sentence structure is like this. Time phrase or verb phrase plus 以前 plus something. For example, 退休以前，我爷爷是医生。Literally, retirement before, my grandpa is doctor. Before retirement, my grandpa was a doctor. More examples. 吃早饭以前，我喝了牛奶。Literally, eat breakfast before I drank milk. Before breakfast, I drank milk. 3个月以前，我不会打乒乓球。3 months ago, I didn't know how to play ping pong. 放学以前，我想做完中文作业。Literally, school ends before I want to finish Chinese homework. Before school ends, I want to finish my Chinese homework. If you want to ask about someone's job, this is how you say it. 你做什么工作？ Literally, you do what job? What job do you do? The answer could be 我是老师 I'm a teacher. More examples. 你爸爸做什么工作？ Literally, your dad do what job? What job does your dad do? 我爸爸是电脑工程师。My dad is a computer engineer. 你爷爷退休以前做什么工作？ What did your grandpa do before he retired? 我爷爷退休以前是医生。My grandpa was a doctor before he retired. 你奶奶做什么工作？ What job does your grandma do? 我奶奶是家庭主妇。My grandma is a housewife. Using 以后 to describe in the future. We have learned the first use of 以后 which is after. For example, 放学以后你常常做什么？ What do you often do after school? Today, we're going to learn another use of 以后 which is in the future. For example, 你以后想做什么？ Literally, you in the future want to do what? What do you want to do in the future? Using 当 to describe to be or to become. For example, 你以后想当什么？ Literally, you in the future want to be what? What do you want to be in the future? 我想当医生 I want to be a doctor. 我哥哥以后想当电脑工程师。My older brother wants to become a computer engineer in the future. 可是我不想当电脑工程师。But I don't want to be a computer engineer. Now it's time to review. 工作 job or work. 你爸爸做什么工作？ What job does your dad do? 电脑 computer. 工程师 engineer. 电脑工程师 computer engineer. 退休 to retire or retirement. 以前 before. 退休以前 before retirement. 医生 doctor. 家庭主妇 housewife. 以后 in the future or after. 当 to be, to become. 你以后想当什么？ What do you want to be in the future? 我想当老师 I want to be a teacher. Now it's time for a cultural tip. This is the social status and income ranking chart of different jobs in most parts of the world. As you can see, doctors and lawyers are the most respected and highest income earning jobs, followed by scientists and engineers, etc. However, in China, scientists actually hold more importance than doctors and lawyers. Teachers are highly respected, although their income is much lower. These differences can significantly influence the career choices of young people and lead to an imbalance in the distribution of human resources across different industries. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!